everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we're going to be giving you a room tour here at the Parkview Inn. It's right across the street from the crosswalk on Harbor Boulevard. And the room we have today is a 2-queen room with a kitchenette suite. I do want to point out though that when I got my email confirmation when I booked the room, they call it a 2-queen sofa bedroom. So there is a little bit of difference there in the booking type, but it's the same exact room. The Parkview Inn is located at 1570 South Harbor Boulevard in Anaheim. It is 0.3 of a mile or a 6-minute walk to the gates of Disneyland. At the time of filming, Parkview Inn is rated number 35 out of 126 hotels on TripAdvisor. We paid for this room out of our own pocket. Right when you walk in the door, there's a little living room area. This is a sofa sleeper here. We will open this up and try it out and tell you how it is. Usually sofa beds aren't very comfortable for adults. There's also a coffee table in this area, and then we really like this little entry table. It's just a great place to stick your purse, keys, anything like that right when you walk in the room. And as usual, we always love when there's somewhere to eat, like a table and chairs, and they also have that in this room too. I love that this room has a kitchenette, and this hotel is so close to Disneyland. If you're staying long term and you want to save some money and cook your own meals, this would be a great option. They do have the cooktop here. They have a freezer and fridge combo as a mini fridge. Most places around here only have a mini fridge, no freezer, so it's really nice to have a good sized freezer compartment here. Of course, they have a coffee pot. And then in this cabinet, they have all sorts of plateware and pots and pans to cook whatever you're wanting to cook. Another sink and a microwave. And then on this side is the bathroom vanity with a great light up mirror. The lighting in this area is fantastic for cooking and for getting ready. So they do have large dinner plates, smaller plates, bowls, lots of different pots and pan configurations, silverware, and then disposable cups for the coffee maker. Each room has its own AC and heater, but there is no thermostat, so you are going to have to reach up here and touch the controls. I'm 5'9", and it's a little stretch for me, and it's actually more difficult for me to read the buttons because it's very small. So it might be a little bit of a challenge. I do like right across from the kitchenette that there's this vanity area, and there's also one in the bathroom, so someone can shower, hop out, get ready out here, do their makeup, have a sink and everything, and someone can be showering in the bathroom. The bathroom is a little bit on the smaller side, but what is great is there's that additional vanity, so it has tons of counter space. Everyone should be able to fit their toiletries in both of these areas. Another thing we wanted to point out is this bathroom does have a fan, and there's a window that you can open to get the steam out in the mornings as well. There's a tub shower combo, and the shower head is not too high to be able to adjust it. Through this door is the bedroom area. It has 2 queen beds, and we'll show you what that looks like too. Now we're in the bedroom part of this room, and there is 2 outlets on either side of this lamp, 2 outlets in the clock, and 2 USBs. So far the bed feels very soft. Each bed has 4 pillows, and above each bed is a ceiling fan. The nightstand in between the beds is really large, lots of space on top for anything you can think of, and then underneath is the in-room safe. Another nice thing that I noticed is on the furthest bed away from the window, there is 2 outlets on the side, so if you do need to charge your phone or you use your phone as an alarm, it's nice if you're the person sleeping on this side to have that. A lot of times what we will do is use one of our luggage as like a nightstand, and we'll just put it over here and put our phone on top of it so it can charge and be accessible if we need it in the middle of the night. This area is the closet, and it is actually really nice. I like that there's open shelving here. On the side over here, there's 2 luggage racks, which I love. Most rooms only have 1, and we always need more than 1. So having 2 is fantastic. And then another great thing is a full-length mirror here on this side. And then over here is a great sized desk area. We'll probably use this more so as a luggage rack and not necessarily a desk, but what I do love is there's a lot of outlets here. There's 2 regular outlets and 2 USBs right here, and then 1 outlet in the lamp. What's nice about this desk is it does have 3 big drawers that you can use as a dresser.